Don't do this, don't do this. Please, sir, please, sir.
Welcome back. Today we're exploring a recent incident with the Akron Police Department. A use of force investigation is ongoing after the arrest of Jordan Ely Sr., facing felony drug charges, domestic violence, and contempt of court warrants. Body camera footage has been released, revealing details of the Saturday evening incident. It all began around 7 p.m. on a Saturday when officers conducted a routine registration check on a vehicle with a temporary tag. The plate was flagged as expired, and warrants for Jordan Ely Sr. were linked to it. As officers approached the suspect, things quickly escalated. As we can see from the body camera footage, Ely was standing next to the vehicle when officers approached him.
What's up, man? All right. Hey, come here, man.
Don't do this, don't do this. Please, sir, please, sir, please, sir, please, sir, please, sir, on the ground. Please, sir, please, sir, please, sir, please, sir,
on the ground.
please, sir, please.
Put your hands behind your back.
Please, sir. Please,
Put your hands behind your back.
Please, sir, please, don't do this to me.
Put your
Man,
hands
my
behind
son in
your
the
back,
car,
dude.
please, officer.
Hands
Officer,
behind your back.
please. I can't, man.
Hands behind your back, dude,
I
now.
cannot.
Hands behind
I
your
can't, officer. Oh my God.
Put your hands
Oh my
behind your
God.
back. Put your hands behind your back.
The situation took a turn when Eli reached toward the open car door, prompting officers to take action.
Please, officer.
Hands behind your back.
I can't, man.
Hands behind
Please,
your back,
officer,
dude,
I
now.
cannot.
Hands behind
I can't, officer. Oh my God.
Put your hands
Oh my
behind your
God.
back. Put your hands behind your back.
According to the police statement, officers attempted to prevent Ely from fleeing. A struggle ensued, leading to Eli being taken to the ground. Verbal commands were given, but Eli resisted. The struggle continued for about 2 minutes, with officers resorting to strikes to gain control.
Stop, dude.
I just want to sit down.
Stay right here. Stay right here. You got 32 to the supervisor? I got a supervisor.
I gotta go to the hospital.
Where's the kid?
I'm at the overdose officer.
The use of force incident raises questions about the tactics used by the officers during the arrest. It's crucial to examine whether the force applied was objectively reasonable and consider the totality of the circumstances.
I just want to go get a phone right now.
Your kids in the car.
Damn, bro.
After the arrest, officers discovered a baggie containing a substance that tested positive for fentanyl inside the vehicle. Shockingly, a small child was also found in the car, who was later released to a family member.
Cigarette thing is the ashtray is sitting right there.
What is it?
My car not smelling nothing. You be man. I didn't even do nothing to get stopped.
Well, your tag's expired, man. You got a bunch of warrants. So if you just listened to us, none of this would have happened. None of this would have happened, man.
I was trying to talk to you.
Yeah, I bet you were, man. That's
I wasn't
ridiculous.
trying to fight you. I didn't swing
That's
for you,
ridiculous,
officer.
man.
Man, I had a hard time.
Well, we're gonna work with you, man, but this is all avoidable.
The discovery of drugs adds another layer to the incident, raising questions about the potential dangers associated with the suspect's actions. In the aftermath, Jordan Ely Sr. faces charges of obstructing official business, resisting arrest, and felony possession of drugs. After being handcuffed, he was moved to a seated position, and emergency medical services, EMS, responded to the scene.
Are you ready to get up? Are you gonna stand up now, or what?
I was just scared.
I don't care if you're scared.
Y'all know
So listen,
I don't.
let's get him up. So listen, man, it's all over with, all right? Let's have you take a stand up, okay? All right.
Let's
go. It's all right. Swing your feet under. Get up.
It's essential to understand the sequence of events following the arrest and evaluate whether the level of force used was proportional to the situation. Akron Police Chief Steve Milet addressed the incident, acknowledging the existence of a video capturing the interaction. He emphasized that every use of force is taken seriously and a thorough internal investigation is underway. Chief Milet assures that the incident will be reviewed by the Akron Police Auditor and the newly installed Citizens Police Oversight Board. The standard for evaluating the use of force will be the objectively reasonable criterion and the totality of the circumstances.
Bunch of warrants.
If you still have the channel held, you could release it and slow anybody else down.
The newly formed Akron Citizens Police Oversight Board expressed concern about the video. Members stated that they are troubled by the incident and will likely review the case, providing recommendations to the Akron Police. The board members are particularly focused on mental health considerations during arrests and are keen on understanding the circumstances that led to the apparent use of force captured in the footage. Our team visited Jordan Ely Sr.'s neighborhood to get a sense of the local perspective. Only his grandmother was home at the time. It's crucial to understand how the incident is impacting the local community and gather opinions from those directly connected to the situation.
Let's get your shoes back on.
Oh my God.
Outside of your mouth, is anything else hurting you?
My whole body, man.
What part? Well, let's keep him away from the Come on, stand up. Come on, dude.
I told you about, man.
You didn't swallow any drugs, did you?
No, sir.
It's all over now, man. It's all over. One more time on his pockets. All right. Come on, man. Ambulance is coming. They'll check you out. Swing your feet in. Swing, yeah, we'll roll the window down. Swing your feet in. Ambulance is right here. They're going to check you out.
Moving forward, the incident raises legal questions about the charges faced by Jordan Ely Sr. and the potential consequences of the use of force. We'll keep a close eye on the legal proceedings and update you as the case develops. The reaction from the Citizens Police Oversight Board highlights the importance of external review and recommendations. Mental health considerations and the apparent use of force will likely be central points in their assessment.
Thank you for joining us today on our video. We've delved into a complex incident. Remember to like this video, subscribe for more in-depth content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay informed, stay engaged, and we'll see you in the next video.